Hey, it's me again, Doubtless Virgo, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of my newest gamer chair. But before anything else, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and ring the bell as well so you'll be updated with my incoming videos. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Keep watching. Actually, I am not a gamer, but I am a video creator. So most of the time, I am working with my channel, editing some videos, and sometimes I had this back pain. So I decided to buy this one because I saw on Lazada that it was on sale. So I ordered this one, and the original price for this is $135. Take note, it was on sale during that time, so I bought this one for only $75. So it is now very comfortable for me to work. See? Hello everyone! So here we go. Let's get started. Let us open this box. So the first thing you can see is the manual on how to assemble this product. By the way, it only takes 2 days. After I checked this one from Lazada, and it arrives in my place. So with the help of my daughter and his boyfriend JP, I was able to unbox this one and assemble as well. So keep on watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. And thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye and God bless us all.